Hey you guys, thank you for coming to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I put on this 4x4 lace front closure that I got from Amazon. It's a Brazilian kinky curly human hair wig, 150 density I believe, and I think it was maybe 18 to 20 inches. So I'm just showing you the curls and what the lace look like and how many combs it has, which is 3, or was it 4? I think it's 4 because I have a back comb as well. And I start off by putting foundation that I normally put on my face, and I put on the lace so that it can look more scalp-like and realistic. And then I'm going to put the foundation also on my wig cap, which I kind of look crazy right here. Oh, I don't put the foundation on yet. I spray the got to be glue on first, so that part can the part that stays sticky to the lace, however you want to say it. Sorry, your girl's tired and don't feel good right now, but I wanted to get some content out. So I just smoothed the lace off, and now I'm about to cut the lace with scissors, which I think it wasn't a good idea, but your girl did what she had to do. So yeah, as you can see, I was struggling. And this is my first time having a human hair wig. I never messed with a closure or frontal or anything. I'm still learning about that, so please bear with me. So now I am spraying the spray again on the wig cap because it kept curling up at the end, the edges, as you may say, so that it can lay down flat completely. Now I'm going to put the foundation on my wig cap so that, just like what we did with the lace on the wig, just to make it look even more realistic, since I'm not bleaching the knots. I don't even know how to do that, so yeah. That's why I did it. So eventually I put the wig on, and I'm using this Ghost Bond glue that I got from the beauty supply store, and this is my first time using it. So yeah, eventually I'm going to be placing dots all over the hairline, well, basically where the wig cap and my skin meet at, and then I'm gonna let that dry, get tacky after I end up eventually spread it out. And then once again I put another layer up there, and this glue dries super fast, y'all, so you have to work quick with it because it gets tacky quick. As you can see, it was starting to stick, or get sticky, as you may say. So I'm waiting for it to dry. Excuse me. And if you hear anything in the background, I apologize about that. Someone's cutting the grass. So now I'm pulling the wig down, which is good, because if you have a huge forehead, you have all the room in the world to pull your wig down because, well, your forehead's big. So I'm smoothing the wig out a little bit, and then eventually I'm going to be using the Got To Be glue spray, and I'm gonna spray it along the hairline so that it can really stay and look kind of realistic as much as possible. And by the way, guys, I'm not saying this is the right way to do it. I'm just telling you how I did it. So please. As you can see, I'm getting frustrated because it's difficult. And I seen one of the girls use an eyebrow shaper to cut the lace, but I was having problems with that. So eventually I just grabbed the scissors and cut the lace myself, which I feel like that wasn't the greatest idea, but well, I did it, so had to make it work. So yeah, and then eventually I'm gonna go back with that spray again and try to lay it down as much as possible. So eventually after that, I put my scarf on and I start to wet the hair so that I can, put some curl cream to it, which is from, wow, I sprayed myself, which is from, I think it's called Mael curl cream Brazilian something. I'm gonna put it on the screen or in the description box. And it basically just makes it extra curly. And I just run my fingers through it. And as you can see, the curls are taken to it. Very pretty. There is some shedding. It's not bad, but it does shed, I will say that. But other than that, I love the curl pattern. I haven't used the curl cream on my real hair. I haven't yet to use it, but if you have a curl pattern like this wig, I would say go for it because it really works. Super beautiful. Now I'm doing it on the other side, and I'm just really wetting the hair everywhere. Running my hairs through. You can use a brush or a comb if you want to, but I wanted to use my hands. And you see how juicy they look. So pretty. I really do like this hair. And then I just do the same thing that I did in the front. I do it in the back as well. Spray my face again. So I'm just running my hair through it, and then I use this Mousse Def. It's a texture foam, so I think that's what it's called, texture foam. I can't remember. It's basically going to define the curls even more, but holds the curls as well so they don't get frizzy. And I like it because it doesn't make your curl look super hard or anything, you know. So I run my hands through that, and I do on the other side as well. And then eventually, after this, I'm going to be taking my headband off, and you are going to see what that looks like. And when I tell you, I was so upset at how it looked because it looked a mess. Like, girl, watch this. Girl, look at this. Look at this. Now, see. But it's okay because guess what? You can try to put foundation on it, or you can put a headband on it, like one of those headband wigs. If you have a thick headband, slap that bad boy on, keep it moving. And eventually you're going to see me hooking it up a little bit. And yeah, because I look cute in the picture, so that's all that matters. Bye.